And these people need to sell the house. They need to because the court is ordering it to pay creditors. Hey, Kevin A. Malsh, Pine Financial Group. We work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on YouTube. We're trying to build a community. Will you please help me out and hit subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave me some comments below. I hope you get some value out of this video and out of this channel. Today I want to talk about 3 more ways to find off-market properties. I know it's tough out there, guys. It's hard to find those real estate deals. So how do we get ourselves out of the MLS and find the deals that nobody else knows about? 1, door knocking. This gets you in front of motivated sellers instantly. A lot of what real estate investors not in the MLS are doing is finding motivated sellers and sitting down with them to negotiate the deal on the properties. You want to get that meeting inside the house, build that connection, and negotiate the deal. What better way to get in the house and have an instant meeting than knocking on someone's door and getting invited in? There's different ways, different lists you could do when you're knocking on doors, very similar to what we talked about in the last video about cold calling. So foreclosure lists are probably the most popular list to hit if you're knocking on doors. But you could just blanket neighborhoods, or you can go to for sale by owners and knock on those doors as well. Again, one way to find non-MLS properties, door knocking. Number 2, PPC. Now, what the heck does that stand for? Pay per click. So these are advertisements you could do on Facebook, on different social media platforms, on Yahoo, and on Google. And you're basically just paying for someone to click on your ad, take them to your website where you can market your services as a real estate buyer. So pay per click, it's a little bit tricky to learn. So I would recommend, if you're getting started, have somebody help you with this campaign. It's going to cost a little bit of money, but it's going to help you find off-market deals. So that would be number 2, PPC. Number 3 is direct mail. Direct mail is a fantastic way to find off-market properties, and it still works today. This is how I bought many properties. There's a lot of lists that you could hit to find motivated sellers with direct mail. By far, the one I had the most success with is probate. You could mail advertisements to the personal representatives in a probate case, and these people need to sell the house. They need to because the court is ordering it to pay creditors. So this is creating a tremendous motivation for the personal representative, and if you're the one that's hitting them with direct mail, there's a high chance that they're going to call you to have an offer on that property. There's other lists that you could mail as well. Tenant eviction lists, foreclosure lists again, code violation lists, divorce lists, and the lists go on and on and on. Typically, you would get these from list broker. So simply Google list broker and come up with the list that's going to fit your needs. So number 3 way to find non-MLS or off-market properties, direct mail. Leave me some comments below. I want to know other ways that you guys are finding your real estate transactions. Or if you have any questions or anything I could help you with, leave me some comments below. You could also check us out at pinefinancialgroup.com.